welcome to my first part of the Slime Rancher 1 modding tutorials, which I was making one for Slime Rancher 2, but I lost all motivation, so I'll do an Essential 1 for now, because Essential 1 is way easier to work with for beginners. Okay, so post-editing here, or not post-editing, but after I recorded everything, I just remembered to add this. But basically, you want to install this for the follow along very well tutorial. It's this, but it's called Rider, and as long as you're not selling your mod, it should be fine to use. But you can also make it open source to help deal with stuff. Alright, here, let's just click download. You click download here for your OS. I think actually you should get Toolbox app. It's better actually. You want to get Toolbox app, and I'm assuming it will automatically have this extension correctly here. But if not, it's just as you can see when you're on Linux or Mac. You click here, and you click different ones for different things. We have Mac OS and Linux. So we have two mods we need to install. First, we have Shortcut Lib. This is the main thing we need. The second, which is might as well be optional, is Assets Lib. You do need an account to download these, so if you haven't already, go make one. I'm gonna personally download the 7Z for this. I'm gonna open this in a new tab, but yeah. We also need the actual mod loader itself. Which, be warned, does not support pirated copies. It will crash. It just doesn't work. So I'm just gonna click manual download. Alright. After extracting this, that's not the right thing. After extracting this, you wanna first get the SRML installer. Okay, that's weird. Find Slime Rancher. This is the Steam. If you want to go to the game folder, but for Slime Rancher, you want to do this. Right click Slime Rancher, manage, browse local files. Then paste the SRML installer in here and run it. No, you want to do yes, that would work. Alright, so next you want to go back to here. Select both of these files. Go to the SRML folder it made. Alright, now you want to click New Solution, make sure Class Library is selected. You want to go here. I think it's 4.7.2, but they usually 4.8. Click this. You want to deselect all of this. And save an SR2 version. And recently I'm going to click this, but this is optional. Okay, sorry about the pings, by the way. I really love those. Now you want to go right click dependencies, reference, oh yeah, add from, and then you go to Slime Rancher. First, what I'm going to do is go to the mods folder, so I would go to SRML, mods, and select these two, assets, LibWD, and shortcut LibWD. Assets, that actually, that won't even select, so now I have those imported. So now I'm gonna go here, go to slauncher.date underscore data managed. I'm just gonna select all of these because it's kind of hard. Yep, okay. So now we have this. I'm going to do a namespace using SRML. And personally, I want to change the name of this to mod entry point. But the name doesn't matter. You can do anything for this. But what you do need to do is, I gotta rename this again. Entry. I don't want to get confusing. So colon mod entry point. So this is just SRML. Here, let me explain something. If I click F12 here, abstracts, we have harmony instance and console instance. We have preload, load, postload, reload, unload, and update. Fixed update, late update. Which the one thing people don't know is that reload, unload, update. All four of these have never been discussed. Basically, nobody knows about these. But these, if you have an idea of how to use them, it would be great because this one's every frame, every 0.2 seconds, I think. Every time after update function, for example. But the ones we want to focus here are preload, load, and postload. So I'm gonna do public override void load, and we do that. Public override void preload. But right here, actually, what I want to do is do harmony instance.patrol. This isn't going to be covered. This isn't going to be covered much in this tutorial, but just this is a very powerful tool for modding.